Hi to all the bright riders, thanks for watching. Today I'm taking you to one of the most exciting experiences in Turkey, Antalya, the Buggy Safari adventure that I'm not advising some people to do. People who are having dust allergy or back pain problems might avoid it, but believe me, that was really fun. While I was driving my buggy, the guy told me to just use one foot, but actually I was using my 2 feet. I was pressing the accelerator and the brake at the same time. That was giving me a very nice feeling, and I kept doing it. I was driving nervously like a crazy, and that's why we're here, guys, right? So if you're coming to Turkey, Antalya, don't miss it. I'll let you watch this video that will give you a great pleasure and a great desire to come here to Antalya and try it by yourself.
It's a video. Oh, yeah. Yeah, bro. It's Morocco. Morocco.